Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me Irfan, and now I will tell you how to konfigurasi router about VLAN. Okay, first you must be have to this two cable LAN and two router. One, two router. Okay. Alright. Next, you make sure have aplikasi APK inbox. If you don't have, you can download in browser. Okay. But I have the Winbox. Okay, first we are open the Winbox. Before that, you can to connect this one cable, connect to one router. This in port 2. Then this connect to laptop. Okay. Okay, then we are refresh this to search IP MAC address the router. Okay, we are have two step. Step 1, we are konfigurasi the necrotic 1. Step 2, konfigurasi the necrotic 2, the router 2. Okay. Router 1, this to connect router to Wi-Fi. Okay. Router 2, this to switch. Okay. Step 1, we will konfigurasi the router to connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, first you can to off the Wi-Fi laptop or computer, and two, we can to connect this router to Wi-Fi. Okay, step 1, you can click interface, click VLAN 1, checklist to enable. Then you can go to page wireless. In wireless, you click the security profile. You create the security profile, the hotspot. Okay, I want the name is lab me. The modem is dynamic key. You can checklist this and this. The password, this password your Wi-Fi, your access point, or your hotspot. Okay, I have hotspot. Then password my hotspot this 1 2 3 4 iPhone 1 2 3 4. Then you can click try, then okay. You can to back to Wi-Fi interface page. You double click this. You security profile change to let me change to you after create the security profile. Okay, then click scan start. This my hotspot iPhone connect, apply, okay. Wait a minute. If this are the mark are this success, okay. Then we are go to IP, click IP, DHCP client. This to the DHCP client give the VLAN IP, okay. This VLAN 1, apply, okay. You can check in IP addresses. If this mark D is success, okay. Then we are create the DHCP. Sorry. We are create the firewall. Click firewall, NAT plus or add the action this masquerade. The general chain discarnate out interface VLAN 1, apply, okay. Then you can check the router connect to Wi-Fi or no. You can check in terminal. With this, you can click and then Ctrl+C, ping if this this success, okay. Then we can create the VLAN in router, okay. We go to the interface. You can teleport to page VLAN. You create the VLAN, name the VLAN 1. I want the VLAN 1 lab 1. The VLAN ID 10, Ether 3. Why Ether 3? Because this port to connect to switch, okay. Apply, okay. You can create one more, lab 2. The VLAN ID 12, interface same, apply, okay. Then we create the IP address to VLAN. Go to IP addresses plus this. Interface lab 1, apply, okay. You can create one more to VLAN order. You warning this, you such as this no same with lab 1, with VLAN 1, okay. This VLAN 2, apply, okay. Then you go to system, IP. You create the DHCP server, put DHCP setup, lab 1, click next. DNS server 8. Click next. This success. You create one more. Sorry. In the HTTP setup, we are create to web2. Next, then server x. Next. Okay. Why this red? Because the router no connect with the switch. If we are connect the router to switch, change to black. So this connect. Okay, press. Nah, ini sukses. Okay, you connect in switch, you connect in Ether one. Why Ether one? Because every Ether one this to connect to internet. Okay, alright. The config the router success. Now we are going to step 2. Okay, the config the switch. Before that, you can exit this, then you close this cable the configurasi, swap to the switch Ether 2. Okay, because we now we will configurasi the router 2. Open the Winbox. Okay, refresh to search IP address router order. This connect. Okay. Now we can go configurasi the switch. Step 1, you can go to the bridge. You create the name bridge, the my bridge, let me. Okay, apply. Okay, the port connect to bridge. Interface 1, let me apply. Okay, create more, either 3, apply. Okay, one more, either 4, apply. Okay. Oh, warning, you can lock this. Make sure you see this, make sure this checklist. Okay, then we are close this page. We are go to switch, the switch VLAN, click the add. Okay, switch VLAN ID 10, port this Ether 1 to connect Ether 3. Okay, apply. Okay, one more, VLAN 12, port Ether 1 to Ether 3. Yes, apply, click apply. Sorry, this Ether 4, this for client. Okay, earlier Ether 3, this Ether 4. Apply. Okay, Then you can click the port, double click the header, the VLAN mode, the accept the internet, VLAN mode secure, the VLAN header is missing, apply, okay. And for the client, double click, VLAN mode same, secure, but the VLAN header always strip. VLAN ID 110 is 10, and one more, this 12. VLAN mode secure, the VLAN header always strip because this client. Apply, okay. Okay, we are finished. Okay, now we are check how the client success or not. You can check swap the port to port client. Wait a minute. Nah, if the mark change to this success. Okay, now we are check to the client port 4 or either 4. If I disable the mark, this change is nothing internet, go to the other 4 client order. Okay, wait a minute. Nah, this success, okay, because the mark change. This import 3 success, import 4 success. Okay, this the konfigurasi, the switch, the router. We are success konfigurasi. And if you connect to login, you can search the MAC address, the header. Okay, and maybe this tutorial from me. We are earlier study how to connect VLAN. Okay, first we are have two step 1, you can configurasi the router, connect the Wi-Fi or access point or hotspot. If you don't know how to connect the Wi-Fi, you please watch my video in tutorial configurasi router. Okay, in router you create the VLAN IP address to for VLAN, and last you create the DHCP server, and then you swap the cable to configurasi the switch. Okay, in switch we are configurasi the bridge and switch. Okay, and warning, I will tell you something. If you configurasi, you can if you configure the router or switch, you can using the Ether 2. This Ether 2, this Ether 1, Ether 2, Ether 3, Ether 4. Okay, this to configurasi is for client. Okay, and Ether 1, this to connect to give the internet or give internet or this port 1, this will give internet or receive the internet, accept the internet, or in Indonesia menerima internet. Okay, this to konfigurasi this for client. Okay, maybe this tutorial from me, and if you don't know, you can message for me, and see you to the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.